All right, so in this activity, we're to complete this table, or we're to verify that the information in this table is true. All right, for a triangle has three sides. All right, and the name of the regular triangle is an equilateral triangle. So the regular triangle has a special name. It's called an equilateral triangle. So not all shapes, not all regular shapes have a special name. Not all regular shapes have a special name, but the name of the regular triangle is the equilateral triangle. So of course it has three sides. So the sum of the interior angles from the formula, n in the formula will be 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 times 180 would be 180 degrees. Now, if you have three interior angles, and the three of them add up to 180 degrees, one interior angle would be equal to the 180 degrees divided by 3. So you can look at it that way, or you can look at it this way by saying the three interior angles of a triangle must add up to 180. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So one interior angle must be equal to 60 degrees. You can look at it this way. The three exterior angles of a triangle, of a regular triangle, must add up to 360 degrees, because the sum of the exterior angles of all polygons is 360 degrees. So one exterior angle would be equal to 360 divided by 3, divided by 3 up here, divided by 3. This is 120 degrees. All right, for the square, so this is 4 sides. So, a square is a quadrilateral. So a square is the name of the regular quadrilateral. In the formula, n would be 4. So this is 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. This is 2 times 180 degrees, which is 360 degrees. So the 4 exterior angles, which are all equal, equals to 360 degrees. Divide them by 4. So 1, that should be interior, we're not at exterior yet. The 4 exterior angles, okay, I'm on a roll. The 4 interior angles, which are all equal, add up to 360 degrees. So one interior angle would be equal to 90 degrees, which we know. Additionally, the 4 exterior angles also add up to what? 360. So again, one exterior angle is also equal to 90 degrees. All right, let's move down. All right, over here, the table has been completed. So what we can do is that we can verify that the information is correct. The pentagon has 5 sides. So this is going to be 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. This is 3 times 180 degrees, which is equal to 540 degrees. Now, the 5 interior angles of this regular pentagon must add up to 540 degrees. So if I divide both sides by 5, I'm going to get 1 interior angle is equal to 108 degrees. Now, the 5 exterior angles of the sum of the exterior angles of all polygons is 360 degrees. So the 5 of these angles must add up to what? 360. Divide both sides by 5, and we get 1 exterior angle is equal to 72 degrees. We can go through and verify that the information is correct. Some students did that before, and everything was correct except for 8. So let's double check 8. We're going to have 8 in the formula is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And this formula calculates the sum of the interior angles. So this is going to be 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. This is 6 times 180 degrees. And the students confirm that it is indeed 1080 degrees. Now, the 8 interior angles, which are all equal, add up to the 360 degrees. Sorry, 1080 degrees. So if I divide by 8, I get the size of 1. So 1 interior angles. Here's where the student said I was wrong, is equal to 135 degrees. All right, let me just double check if that's actually true. All right, yeah, it's 135. 8 into 10 goes 1 time, remainder 2. 8 into 28 goes 3 times and remainder 4. 8 into 40 is 5 times, so it is correct. Now the 8 exterior angles, because if a polygon has 8 sides, it would have 8 interior angles and 8 exterior angles. So the 8 exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. The sum of the exterior angles of all polygons is 360 degrees. Then I divide both sides by 8, and I'm going to get 1 exterior angle. Right? This is something that is not. It is a good exercise to go through this table to verify that the information is correct. All right, let's see what comes next. All right, so earlier I told you I would explain the exterior angle. So here's how we get exterior angle. We did look at this when we did angle properties of a triangle, because the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 opposite interior angles. So we did exterior angle, but we'll explain it again. Now here's what this says. When one side of a polygon is extended, an exterior angle is formed, and the sum of the exterior angles of all polygons is 360 degrees. In moving around the shape, the exterior angle is the angle one must turn at a vertex in order to stay on the shape. All right, that's an interesting comment. So it's like you're going here. In order to stay on the shape, you have to make a turn of what? 64 degrees. So the angle that you have to turn to stay on the shape is the exterior angle. That's what it is saying. Here, to stay on the shape, you have to make a turn. If you're going straight, you would end up. But you make a turn of 49 degrees, you'll continue on the shape. Now, that angle that you have to turn, in order for you to stay on the shape, that angle is called the exterior angle. How you get the exterior angle? If you extend one side, so if I extend the side, I'm extending the side, the angle here is the exterior angle. That angle is also the angle you have to turn in order to stay on the shape. Now, please note that the exterior angle and the interior angle add up to what? 180 degrees. Please note that. And also note that the sum of the exterior angles of all polygons, regardless of the polygon, whether it is regular or irregular, the sum of the exterior angles of all polygons is 360 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, an exterior angle is formed if one side of a polygon is extended, an exterior angle is formed. Now, the exterior angle is the angle that you have to turn. If you're moving along the line, the angle that you have to turn in order to stay on the shape, the size of that angle is called the exterior angle. The sum of the exterior angles of all polygons is 360 degrees, and the exterior angle plus the interior angle add up to 180 degrees. They are angles on a straight line. All right, guys. So I'm going to stop here before we go into the examples.